Hello students, how are you? Our next question is question number 6. Clear? All of you read this question carefully. I read this question in figure ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equal to AC. E is a point on the side CB produced such that FE perpendicular AC. Clear? If AD perpendicular CB, prove that AB cross EF equal to AD cross EC. Clear? I think all of you know very well what is similarities of two triangle. If you have any problem, you can tell me. I explain what is similarities. Clear? Let's start. If triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, its mean angle B equal to angle C. Clear? And AB equal to AC. This given. Clear? Clear. Let start. In triangle ADB and triangle EF EFC. Clear? We know that angle C equal to, sorry, angle, here angle B equal to angle C. Clear? Because look at here, triangle ABD. ठीक है? तो here angle B equal to angle C. This triangle ADB, this triangle में angle B and this triangle में EFC, angle C are equal. Clear? And we know that angle ADB equal to angle EFC equal to 90 degree. We see here this angle 90 degree and this angle also 90 degree. Clear? It's mean triangle ADB is similar triangle EFC by AA. Clear? Next page. Property of similar triangle. ठीक है, ये आप लिख लीजिए. प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सिमिलर ट्राइंगल क्या होता है? करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल आर इक्वल एंड द रेशियो ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड is 1. Clear? It's mean we can write here, previous pages here. It's mean line AD upon EF. Clear? So we can write here AD upon EF. Clear? Because AD equal to angle B and EF equal to angle C. Clear? फिर again we know that here 90 degree, opposite side of 90 degree is AB and opposite side of 90 degree is EC. Clear? We can write here equal to AB upon EC. Cross product We find AB into EF equal to AD into EC. Clear? This is a answer. I think all of you know very well what is similarity. I explain it. Let a triangle A, B, C sim similar to triangle P, Q, R. Clear? It's mean angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R, and the corresponding sides of AB is mean PQ equal to AC, it's mean PR equal to BC, it's mean QR. Clear? This is a similarity. क्या? Similarity. Clear? So I think all of you understand this question. If you have any problem, you can tell me and we solve this question, this type of question again. Thank you.